As the reactions to the false start controversy involving sprint hurdler Daniel Williams continue to burn, renowned and outspoken track and field coach Stephen Francis was early out of the blocks, trying fire and surprisingly agreeing with the expulsion of the former world champion. Listen to Frano.
I don't know if there's ever been a situation like this I mean, I've certainly never seen it. And the rules, the solutions are clear. You do not show somebody a red card 4 times. You show her the red card once, and then if she refuses to come off, you take her off a track. That's what you have security, you have police for. I have seen policemen come and take off athletes.
The man said them should have called security to get Daniel Williams off of the track. But question to Coach Francis, what if it was Elaine Thompson or Shelley and Fraser Price, or better yet, what if both Elaine and Shelley, the 2 Olympic champions and the 2 fastest women in the world today, what if Elaine and Shelley said they heard a sound coming from the stands and the 2 of them jump out of the blocks same time, start as a false start, and both of them get disqualified and thrown out of the race? What you not say about that, friend? Would you be crying out for discretion and common sense and for the best athletes to represent Jamaica? Or would you be calling for security to escort Shelley and Elaine off of the track? Talk the truth, brother. What would you be saying? What you not say? Brother, no one, you talk to me. This one not telling me.